better way is there to wish someone a happy birthday than with this simple yet elegant and very easy to make 3-color spiral balloon number bouquet. The royal gold, purple, and green metallic colors are perfect to show that special someone that they are royalty on their special day. Stick around and learn a never-before-seen technique for the easiest way to create a 3-color spiral design. Make your balloon bouquet like the pros and amaze everyone at your next party. To make this arrangement, you will need 3 sets of balloons: a balloon pump, ribbon, balloon tying tool, foil or mylar balloons that spell happy birthday, and a number balloon of your choice. We also cannot forget our secret ingredient, balloon flower clips. You will need about 7 flower clips for this project. To make this project easy on your fingers, use a balloon tying tool to help you with sealing your balloons. That was so easy. Let's see it again in slow motion. Balloon tying tools make it easy to tie balloons with long nails like these. Just wrap around, under, and through. That's it. We love to create high-quality balloon decoration videos. Please smash that like button and subscribe to see more unique balloon designs when we publish. To ensure that all our balloons are the same size for our spiral design, we are using a do-it-yourself balloon sizing tool. You can purchase one online or use cardboard as we did here. Find a circle that measures around 12 inches or less and outline the size of your balloon with a marker. Get a sharp knife or box cutter to cut out the circle for the sizing tool. Ensure the sheet of cardboard you chose has flaps at the side to allow it to stand on its own. Now inflate all your balloons. This arrangement uses 7 layers of quads for the balloon spiral. In total, you will need 7 gold balloons, 7 green balloons, and 14 purple balloons. We will be doing a 3-color spiral. Therefore, one color, the purple, will appear twice. Someone was at the door, so my wife had to go. But it revealed this party going on in the background. The balloons were having a great time, propelled by the musical breeze from our fan. Now to the fun part. Let's build our spiral using our balloon flower clips. This method is much easier than trying to tie the balloons into quads, as most tutorials online will show. It's simple and it gives you the same beautiful balloon spiral look. Step 1 will be to anchor your ribbon to the first balloon flower clip. Wrap your ribbon around the clip a few times to ensure that it is secure. Next, take a balloon by the mouth and gently work it into the balloon flower clip. Ensure that the knot is on the opposite side of the clip with respect to the balloon. Oops! I forgot to place the green balloon opposite to the gold. Otherwise, both purple balloons would end up beside each other. Just one more, and that's it. We have our balloon quad complete. Now, all we have to do is repeat this step 6 more times, and you will have a beautiful balloon spiral. Ensure you have strung on the second balloon flower clip to the ribbon, and then you can start to add your balloons. Use the same color pattern for all your quads to ensure you have a perfect spiral. Now that the second quad is done, place it on top of the first quad, aligning the matching balloon colors. Then shift the matching colors clockwise so that the balloons line up diagonally. To keep the balloons from losing their pattern, pull the ribbons taut between the 2 balloon flower clips and then carefully wrap it around the top clip to the set below. Repeat this technique until you have filled out all 7 quads. This balloon spiral technique can be used to make a balloon arch, a balloon column, or laid horizontally to make a balloon bouquet, just like we will show you today. This is hands down the fastest and easiest way to create this seemingly complex balloon arrangement. Your party guests won't stop asking you about who your decorator is. Now, let's top off our balloon bouquet with mylar or foil balloons. Tie a ribbon to the tabs of each number balloon. Take the spiral column and lay it horizontally. The ribbons will be used to secure the numbers to the top of the arrangement. Wrap the ribbons around the balloon at the back of the arrangement and tie them firmly in place. You can use 1 or more numbers depending on the age of the celebrant, or just spell out the numbers for single-digit ages like 1 with O, N, and E, using letter balloons for a fuller look. Voila! That's a quick and easy way to create a spectacular spiral 3-color number balloon bouquet. For more creative balloon decoration videos, subscribe to our channel and click like to let everyone know you enjoyed this video. Also, check out our website balloonblowout.com for detailed tutorials on all things balloon decor.